What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Today we are in Bolton, Ontario, and we gotta bring a truck down to Mississauga. And this truck's really interesting. It's burnt. It was burnt. I don't know how it was burnt because it's already done. Everything's done already. But anyways, I gotta bring this truck down to a shop in Mississauga, I guess, to get the lift axle removed or whatever else. So I'm just here now, and I just noticed that the brakes are already caged, but the drive shaft's still in. So I'm not too sure why they did that when they removed the truck. But the guys here told me it got towed here like that. So hopefully it's good. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. If the wheels turn, I'm gonna go and see. If not, I'm gonna remove the drive shaft. So we'll see. But let's go look at this truck and get it hooked up and get out of here. All right, guys, so this is the truck here. Well, what used to be a truck, burnt completely. Guess the other trucks are already caged, left this cage and bolts in, but drive shaft's still in, which is odd to me. Very odd. Usually when we do fires, yeah, those are caged, that's good. See the other one, that one's caged, but it's bent in, it went in, whatever. Yeah, this thing burnt pretty good, really good. I'm gonna have to put the tarp back over, strap it down. Okay, let's hook this thing up. So we got this thing in the air now. We're gonna see any loose items and we're gonna strap them all down. Tie that tarp down as well. It'll help the little stuff from falling down at least. All right, let me tarp that down. I don't know, fuck, this thing's already destroyed. ladies and gentlemen, we got this thing out of that tight spot so I can work a little easier now. You can see all the burnt wires underneath here that's hanging, so I want to tie that up too before MTO wants to give me a heyday. But look at all this, everything's burnt. Everything. All right, I am going to, everything looks like it's spinning, right? Nothing's dragging. Okay, good. Yeah, it's spinning. Let's get our tow lights on, put more chains on, and then we'll get out of here. Oh look, there's a gash right here in this tire there. I could pop it at any time. Jeez. Just take it easy. We'll take it easy. All right, let me get my chains on and then we'll do the tow light and then we'll get out of here. You guys want to see something really crazy? So with leaf springs, right? A lot of you guys know they sit as like a banana like this. Look how these ones are sitting now. Now they got burned. So all the weight with the fire, the heat brought it down. It's crazy. See that one down there too. Look at the block. All melted away. That's how I don't get how this guy towed this here with the drive shaft in. I feel like I'm gonna end up taking mine out. Wow. Look, the mirror is like melted all the way down here. Maybe these wires, I could just tie them up like this so it doesn't drag too much. Yeah, that should be good. All right. Holy, even all this, holy moly. All right, let me get back to putting my lights on and finish hooking this thing up. All right, guys, let's do a double check here. We got 2 safety chains on. We got both our tie down chains on. Got our wire down secured. Sitting down in the frame there so it doesn't get caught onto anything. Let's make sure our tow light's working. Tow light is working. The wire is just clearing the tire, but she'll be good. Nothing's really dragging. That's tied onto that. That's that. Okay, so we should be good to rock and roll. Yeah, we're definitely good. Definitely good to go. Got this thing all hooked up now. We're gonna bring it down safely to Mississauga and get this thing done. Called the owner and he told me to wait here at his yard to guide me on where he wants to put it. So I'm just gonna wait here. He says it'll be 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna wait and then we'll drop this unit and be on our next call and see what's up for our next one. All right, guys, so we're all dropped. I was blocking the road pretty much, so I just wanted to drop the thing quickly, but we're all dropped here, all done. All done. Just making sure everything is good. Awesome. All right, guys, so let's eat. Check this side here. Yeah, that's good. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. I cleared that toe. I got one more to go do, and then I'm probably gonna call it a day. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I always love the comments, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll get more. I'm trying to post as much as I can daily if I can. So I'm trying. It's hard right now with my business and towing and whatnot, so I'm trying to post as much as I can. But let me know what you guys think. Smash that like button. Don't forget. Comment. And yeah, peace.